Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get an employer identification number for your business. An EIN is a crucial 9-digit tax identification number, much like a social security number for your company. It's essential for nearly all businesses, enabling you to open bank accounts, file taxes, and hire employees. We'll walk through the straightforward process of obtaining this vital number directly from the Internal Revenue Service, ensuring your business is properly set up for success. Understanding if your business requires an EIN is the next step. Generally, if you have employees, operate as a corporation, or are a partnership, an EIN is mandatory. Even some sole proprietorships or single-member LLCs might need one for specific reasons, like filing excise taxes. The person applying must possess a valid taxpayer identification number, such as a social security number or an individual taxpayer identification number, to complete the application successfully. The quickest and most efficient way to obtain your EIN is through the IRS online application. This method typically takes only about 15 minutes to complete, and you'll receive your 9-digit number immediately upon successful submission. Simply navigate to the IRS website, locate the online EIN assistant, and carefully fill out the required information. Double-check all details before finalizing to ensure a smooth and instant approval process for your business. While the online method is preferred, you can also apply for an EIN via fax or mail. Faxing a completed Form SS-4 typically results in receiving your EIN within 4 business days. If you choose to mail your application, be prepared for a longer wait, usually several weeks. For international applicants without a U.S. address or a taxpayer identification number, a phone application option is available, offering a direct way to secure your business's identification number.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.